Hello everyone, happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day and are doing well. So in this video, I am doing a Pandora Christmas swap with my dear friends here on YouTube, Jandra from My Expressions, Nichol from My Pandora Charmed Life, and Elizabeth from Fierce Eye. And this was actually Elizabeth's idea, so thank you so much, Elizabeth, because this was so much fun to be a part of and to buy special presents for all of us and all our dear friends. So it's kind of like a little swap where I send something to Nichol, she sends something to me, I send something to Elizabeth, she sends something back to me. So we chose to do a Pandora theme and 2 different items from Pandora. And we kind of created a wish list, and then from the wish list we'd send that off to our friends, so like Nichol, Jandra, and Elizabeth, and they would decide which items to get for me or which items to get for each other. And it was actually really fun. So the first gift that arrived for me is actually from Nichol, and it's really cute. So I opened up this sweet little card she wrote me. It has a lovely photo of her with Presley and the cute reindeer, and I just love this. So this is for sure going on my fridge. It's absolutely adorable, and I love this. And she even wrote to Emily and Snowman. So sweet, because Snowman's the nickname for my husband, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know why it's Snowman. So this is the beautiful present that Nichol got me. I haven't opened it yet, so it's still taped shut, and I'm really excited to see which items from my wish list she picked out for me. And I just love how she like decorated this. It's like this beautiful silver chevron print, and this is merry and bright. Like, it's so beautifully done. So yeah, let's open this up and see which items she picked out for me. I think that's like one of the best parts about Christmas is that you get to spoil the ones you love, and you have an excuse to buy them something special. So doing this for these lovely ladies was so much fun for me. And it's just really fun to have an excuse to like extra spoil people, if you guys know what I mean. I love that about Christmas. It's so much fun. So I'm really hoping Nichol likes the gift I got her. Fingers crossed. Oh my goodness, Nichol, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, mine like probably looks so not as beautifully thought out. Hers is like exquisite inside. Like, look, I don't want it to fall. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so sweet. Nichol, this is like beautifully done. This is like so lovely. This is like a gift basket. This is gift basket quality. It's stunning. Do you guys see all that? And I have a lovely card with snowflakes. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. Emily, I'm so excited that we are doing this Pandora swap with our Pandora sisters. It was so fun narrowing down which charms I wanted to get you off your wish list. I hope this package finds you enjoying the Christmas season. Wishing you and your family, you and yours, sorry, a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love, Nichol. Instructions. Oh my goodness, there's instructions. Okay. So, you guys have to see this. So cute. Open the brown bags first. Comes with the unwrapped blue item. Okay. This is so creative. Mine was not nearly as creative as this. I don't know if this is going to focus or not, and you guys can see. But I get to open each one of these little tabs and to figure out the order to open them. Like, that's so creatively done. So I'm opening these ones first. These are oh, Nichol, you are so creative. This is so beautifully done. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, it's coffee. This sounds so good. So cute. She has like open first. Please brown base and this lovely bow. Oh, it smells good. It's like a fudge. Oh, it sounds so good. I'm totally gonna make this. This sounds amazing, Nichol. Okay, so that's the first one, and we get this little bag. Oh, this sounds good too. I'm gonna open this and just to smell it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm gonna make this tomorrow morning. And there's a pumpkin spice flavor. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for the pumpkin spice flavor. I can make a pumpkin spice latte tomorrow. These are so cool. I bet these are from like where she lives, and they're so neat. Oh, there's an apple one and then a regular. Okay, well, I know what I'm gonna be making tomorrow morning. I think I'm gonna try the pumpkin spice one because that sounds really good. After opening, we're gonna open box number 1 that she has here. I know you prefer tea, but had to include my favorite local coffee.
If allergic to pine nuts, don't consume. I'm not allergic to pine nuts, so that's perfect.
So, oh my goodness, you guys, I'm gonna interrupt my video for a second because my microphone died in the middle of filming Nichole's swap. So the next footage that you're about to see, the volume is gonna be a little bit different, the sound's gonna be a little different. You know what, it's just these things happen, right? So you gotta roll with the punches and just make do with it. So if this was any other video, I probably would just re-record and like refilm it. But because it's a swap, I want it to, you can't refilm a swap. So hopefully you guys are okay with that, and let's continue with the wonderful swap with Nichol.
So now let's move on to number 2. So open the tin box. All right, let's go into here, and we have the tin box right here. Then read number 2. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have this tin here. Oh my gosh, I love all this Christmas confetti. What could this be? Oh my gosh, I love the Santa tin. It's so cute. The tin alone is like a gift. It's so cute. Okay, we have something in bubble wrap. So it means we should be very careful opening it. Oh my goodness, it is something really cute. It's a little unicorn. It's like a Day of the Dead unicorn. It's so cool. Nichol, this is so cool. And it has like a rainbow. Do you guys see that? I'll probably like, as I'm talking, I'll probably show close up. Look at the little horn. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. I'm really curious to read what she has to say about this. So we're gonna go to the spot number 2. When I saw this part unicorn, part skull, totally awesome figurines, I knew each of my Pandora sisters should have one. These are like totally crazy awesome. I'm like in love with this. This actually would be perfect on my desk at work, because at work I have like kind of like a little unicorn area on my desk. So this like fits that theme perfectly. This is too cute. I am in love with it. It's like Day of the Dead unicorn style. It's so cute. The rainbow. I love it. Thank you so much. This is like so much awesome. And you know what's funny is I actually have something unicorn related in Nichol and actually all the girls' gifts. So that's pretty cute. Okay, now we're gonna move on in our lovely little box to the polka dot gift. Nichol, this is so creative. You are like outdone yourself. Look, this is so neat, so interesting. The dream catcher jar. A dream is a promise you give to yourself or share with someone. This sounds so neat. Oh my goodness, I'm really curious to see what this is gonna be. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. What is this? This is stunning. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. It's stunning. It's like a little jar, and it has this beautiful lid that goes on top, and has a dragonfly on it. This is stunning, and it's like a rainbow ombre effect. This is so beautiful. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, well, let's read about it. We go to our box number 3. I just love these dream catcher jars. I wish nothing but for all your dreams to come true. May this jar bring you your dreams a little closer. The dragonfly makes me think of the beautiful pendant you inspire so many of us to get. Aw, Nichol, you're so sweet. This is stunning and so beautiful. And now she has on her instructions. Now for the good stuff. We're going to open the pink box. That's the 4th item, so that's this one, and then read number 4. Okay, so let's read number 4. Ooh! Okay, we have a Pandora box. Open it. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. You guys, she totally got me the Radiant Arts of Pandora Rose with the lavender cubic zirconia inside. It is stunning. So I wanted this for so long because I think it'll work on my tea-inspired bracelet so perfectly. If not, though, I'll put it on my bagel to kind of match with it. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Ah, thank you, Nichol. I love it so much. I knew I would get this one day, but it's so much more special coming from you. Like, this is just stunning. And especially because I know Nichol loves the Radiant Art Charms. So And I love them too. But this just from her, and that she's, I don't know, it's just gonna make me think of you all the time. I love this. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I own this now. It's so, thank you so much. It's stunning. Does this choice even need an explanation? I just love the Radiant Heart Charm, so found it fitting to give this to you. That's like what I just said. That's so cute. All right, and now we're on to our last box, which is this beautiful one that says, "Yep, you're awesome. Open last, the 5th gift." And it has this beautiful black tissue paper going around it with some stars. It's stunning. Let's see what is inside. All right, so last item. Oh my goodness, Nichol. Oh my goodness, Nichol. I'm in shock right now. I can't believe you got me this one. Literally, I was so close to buying this, but it was on the wish list, so I'm like, nope, I'm gonna just wait. I didn't think anyone would get this for me. I'm in shock right now. You guys don't even know what it is because it's so small. This is the, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you guys are gonna think I'm, okay. I'm in so much shock right now that she got me this. So it's the 2-tone cross. It's the Holy Cross. And I have wanted this charm, I can't even tell you for how long, maybe 5 years. This is just so beautiful. I mean, this represents my faith, but more importantly, my relationship with God. And I would love to have this on my something blue bracelet, because it is a 2-tone bracelet, and the cross I have currently on it, I always thought it added as a charm that kind of is a filler, until I actually get this 2-tone cross. I'm in shock. I can't believe you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Wow. Thank you so much, Nichol. This truly means more than words can say. I totally did not expect anyone to get this item. So I'm in complete shock and just, wow. What, and I didn't even read the fifth part on this, so let me open this up. With everything you've had going on this year, it really meant a lot to me to be able to find this gem. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful, and honestly, this truly means more than words can say, Nichol. Thank you so much. Truly wish you were here right now so I could give you a hug, because, wow, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much.
I so enjoyed this wonderful swap with Nichol. Each of her gifts were so thoughtful and sweet. Absolutely love everything. The Dragonfly Jar, the charms, the cute little unicorn, the coffee. There's so much thought was put into each gift. So thank you so much, Nichol. Now, of course, my lips aren't matching my words because, as you guys can see, I had some really bad technical issues with my microphone dying. So I decided it was best just to end this with a voiceover, because you literally hardly can hear what I'm saying. And at this point, because the microphone was pretty much it was dead, so my camera's microphone was taking over. But because the old microphone was still plugged in, it creates a very underwater sound. So I do apologize for that. Hopefully this is the only time I have this type of issue with filming. Like I said before, any other video I would have refilmed it, but with a swap, you can't refilm a swap. So hopefully you guys will forgive me in this video. And the other one should be significantly better with volume. Anyway, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. You take care, and I'll see you in my next swap video, which will probably be either with Jandra or Elizabeth. So have a great weekend and take care. Bye for now.